as I look at us and out.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I am bringing you along today because I'm doing something that I'm really excited about. So today I want to go thrifting and see if I can find any cool things to decorate my desk and my workspace with. I like to switch up my workspace every now and then just to keep things interesting. I feel like it helps me to stay creative. So I figured it's a new season, it's the perfect time. I want to decorate and make things cozy for autumn and just change it up a little bit. So we're gonna go to the thrift store and see what we can find. I love going thrifting because you just never know what you're gonna find, and it's just so much fun to search for the perfect vintage treasure. So hopefully we'll find some cool stuff today, and I'm gonna bring you along so you can see everything that I'm up to. Hopefully by the end of this video I'll have a cozy autumn workspace. So I think the first thing that I need to do is organize my desk a little bit just because it's a bit cluttered, and then we can head to the thrift store. I just got to the thrift store. I decided to come to a smaller one first and see what I can find here. So I'm at Value Village. Let's go in and see what they have. The thrift store was super busy, but I ended up finding a lot of cool things, surprisingly, so I'm excited to show you guys everything. But I think next I'm going to head to Target because I really want to pick out a fall scented candle. So I'm going to head there and I'll show you guys everything that I got at the thrift store when I get home. I'm home now, and I did end up finding a fall candle at Target. Let me show you. So I picked out this candle, which kind of smells a little like Christmassy, but I really enjoy that. And then I also picked out this nail polish that's kind of like a reddish brown color that I think is really pretty for the fall. And then I ended up just getting a bunch of other things that we needed, but let me show you all the things that I found at the thrift store. So like I said in the car, I actually ended up finding a lot of cool things at the thrift store, which I'm super excited about. So let me just go through and show you the things that I got. I'll just pull the first thing out of the bag, which is this oval frame, which I think will look really cute as part of gallery wall. I'm not sure if I want to put it up by my desk or not, but we'll see. Then I found this little crocheted runner, which I think is so pretty, and I think I want to put this maybe on our dining table. I could also put it on our coffee table. I'm not sure yet, but I just thought this was really pretty. Then I found 2 brass candle holders. Here's one of them. And then I found this small one, which is also really cute. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna put these yet. I love brass candle holders though. You guys might have seen I have these ones on my coffee table, which I also thrifted. I've actually found a lot of my decor in my apartment from the thrift store. So I found this bottle, which kind of reminds me of an olive oil bottle, but I think this will look really cute with just like 1 or 2 flower stems in it. And I love collecting bottles that are different sizes and kind of layering them to decorate with. And then something that I actually had in mind that I wanted to find that I ended up finding are these lace curtains, which I am super happy about. I mean, they're not really nice lace curtains, but I have been wanting some lace curtains for the living room. I just feel like that will look so pretty in our light because our apartment gets so much beautiful sunlight. So I found these ones, but they're kind of a bright white and I want them to look vintagey, so I'm thinking about dyeing them with coffee. So I'll show you guys how I do that if I end up doing that, but first I need to throw these in the wash before I do anything. Next, I just found this crystal glass, which there was only one of, so I might use this as decor, not as an actual like drinking glass. I'm not sure, but I just thought it was really pretty and nice and vintagey. Then I found some books. So this little set was only $2 for the set of 4, and I picked this up because I liked the covers. I just thought they were nice. But they are all like Greek mythology books, which I thought was really cool. So it's actually like something I might read, and also the covers are pretty, so it will look nice on my shelf. And then the last thing, I found this set of old sheet music books. So it's all piano music, I believe. And first of all, I just love this. Like, it's so pretty. And I thought this could maybe be used as decoration, like this sheet music inside. Although now that I'm thinking about it, I kind of hate to tear this book up. But it is kind of worn out. Like, there's scribbles on it and like pages are ripped. So I don't feel that bad. I don't know. I'll look through it and see, but I was thinking that this could also be a cool decoration somehow. So that's everything that I found at the thrift store. I might go ahead and start decorating now, I guess. This is the fun part. I think I'm going to clear off my desk. That way I can start with a blank canvas. So let's get started. I've taken everything off my desk and it is all clear now, so I'm going to start decorating. I also might change up these things that I have up on my wall. I took everything off of those metal grids on my wall, so now I'm going to decide what I actually want to keep on there and then maybe pick out some new things to decorate with. Can you hold this up so that I can see it?
Kiss my feet. That touch from the warm wind that's blowing in.
so I realized I forgot to get another curtain rod so that I could hang my curtains, but I will do that maybe tomorrow so I can show you guys whenever I finally get those up. But I think I'm going to go ahead and try dyeing the lace curtains with coffee. I'm just going to make some coffee and I guess soak them for a while. I'm not really sure. Maybe I should look up a tutorial, or I don't know. I kind of just want to experiment and see how it turns out. So I think that's what I'm going to do now. So I just got out a big pot to soak the curtains in, and then I'm gonna make some coffee. I don't really know any other way to do this, so I'm just going to probably make some really strong coffee in the French press and pour it in here to soak the curtains.
I don't know for how long I can carry on.
Looks like I'm going to have to do just one at a time because that's just one curtain and it's filling this whole thing up. So I'll just start with this one and see how it goes. So this is actually looking pretty good. This is the exact color that I wanted, so I am happy with this. I'm gonna keep this soaking for a little longer and then I'll do the next one. So it's the next morning. I decided to take a pause on the decorating last night just because it was getting dark and I was tired and I just wanted to wait until today to finish it up. So that's what I'm going to do. But first I want to run to Target and get another curtain rod so I can go ahead and get up the curtains because they turned out really good. You guys saw the coffee dyeing that I did last night. Let me show you them real quick. So I let the curtains dry in my bathroom overnight and they turned out really good. I know this lighting isn't great so you can't really see the color that well, but you'll see it whenever I hang them up. But I love them so much. This is exactly what I wanted. So now I'm going to head to Target and get that curtain rod so I can finish decorating. So I got the curtain rod. It's actually not the color that I wanted, but I'm hoping it will still look good. I wanted one that was a slightly lighter metal color, like the one I have up here in my dining room. I mean, in this lighting it looks dark, but it's kind of a more like silvery color, and this one is a dark bronze, but I think it will still look good since I do have a lot of dark things like the couch and my lamp and things like that in here. I think the dark curtain rod might tie that all together. And then I also realized I left this in the car yesterday. This is something else I got at the thrift store, which is just this really cool embroidery of mountains and these pretty trees. And I think it was handmade. It has a note on the back. So I just thought this was so cool. So I'm not sure if I want to hang this up. I might, I don't know, we'll keep playing around with things and see what I want to do. So we've got a slight problem. I am not able to screw these all the way in to the wall. And I think it's because this building is really old and I'm not sure what they make these walls out of, but I've had trouble putting other nails in. Like, they just don't go in all the way. And also you can see our ceiling is kind of curved, so however they built this is not allowing me to screw them all the way in. They go about halfway in and then just stop. So I'm really sad because I don't think I'm going to be able to get these up, and I don't want to keep trying and just making this hole bigger. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure out what to do next. I just hung up the curtains by tucking them into the blinds up there just because I wanted to see how they look. And I love the curtains. Honestly, I could just keep them like that instead of trying to hang them at all, but then I won't be able to like push them to the side if I want to. but I do like how it looks, so I might just keep that for now until I figure out how to hang a curtain rod up there. Also, now that I'm looking at this with the curtains hung, is this too grandma-ish with the lace curtains and then the old picture frames and tons of flowers everywhere? I don't know. I'm trying to go for a mix between modern and vintage, but I feel like this might be too much vintage. We'll see.
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a
So I have my chair here, but I usually actually use this exercise ball. I just put the chair here for the video since it's prettier. And then here are the grids I have on the wall. I changed up the art a little bit and just took down the ones that were really colorful because I wanted it to be more of a monochromatic look. And then I just have other little pretty things lying around on my desk. I also like how I changed up this wall. It's a lot more minimal now. I just felt like I wanted some more blank space around me. I also want to redo this gallery wall because I had put it up really quickly and didn't really plan it out, but I don't like how it looks. I just don't think it's even. So I have these paintings and things that I found at the thrift store a while ago, so I might do this as well. And I haven't decided where I want to put this little crocheted runner yet. I tried putting it on the table, but I didn't like how it looked. I really like the bare table, so still figuring out what I want to do with this.